Have you ever wondered what happens if you do squats every day for a month? This question might have crossed your mind as you were scrolling through fitness challenges online. Squats, a potent exercise when done consistently for 30 days, can bring some remarkable changes to your body. Today, we're diving into the 30-day squat challenge, examining the potential benefits it holds for your strength, endurance, and overall physique. So, embark on a journey with us as we explore the day-by-day progression of the squat challenge. On the first day, it's all about starting small and getting the form right. Indeed, squats are a simple exercise, but they require proper form to maximize their benefits and prevent injury. Picture this: feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, and lower back arched slightly. Go down like you're sitting on an invisible chair, with your thighs parallel to the ground. Now, the number of squats you start with should be manageable, perhaps 10 or 20. Remember, it's not about impressing anyone, but about embarking on a journey to a stronger you. As the days pass, you'll gradually increase the number of squats. It's not going to be easy, no. It's a challenge after all. Around day 7, you'll start to feel the burn, but that's a good sign. It means your muscles are working. By day 10, the difficulty level will have noticeably increased. But don't give up. By day 15, you might start feeling stronger, more agile, and notice some physical changes. As we move into the second half of the challenge, things start to get more intense. Each day greets you with a higher number of squats. You'd be surprised by how quickly your body adapts. Your endurance is not just growing, it's flourishing. You start to notice changes, both physical and mental. Your muscles are more defined, especially around your legs and core. You're getting stronger, and it's not just a feeling. You can see it. Not only that, but your mental toughness is also on the rise. Each day, you're pushing past your limits, breaking barriers you didn't even know existed. You're learning to embrace the burn, to welcome the challenge, because you know it's making you better. And as the days roll on, you're not just surviving the challenge, you're thriving in it. By day 30, you've completed the challenge, and the results? They speak for themselves. So, what can you expect after doing squats every day for a month? Let's dive into the key takeaways from this month-long journey. First and foremost, you'll notice a massive improvement in muscle tone and strength. Squats are a powerful exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, helping to sculpt your legs, glutes, and core. After a month of consistent squats, your lower body will be noticeably stronger and more defined. But the benefits aren't just physical. The discipline and mental toughness required to stick to a daily workout routine cannot be underestimated. You'll develop a stronger mindset and a sense of perseverance that will permeate all areas of your life. This mental fortitude will serve you well long after the squat challenge ends. And let's not forget about the potential for weight loss or body reshaping. Squats are a high-intensity exercise that can rev up your metabolism and help you burn calories even after your workout is over. So, if you're looking to shed a few pounds or tone up, daily squats might be just the ticket. But remember, as with any exercise regimen, it's important to listen to your body and adjust as necessary. And of course, a balanced diet and proper hydration are just as crucial as the workouts themselves. So, are you ready to take on the squat challenge? Remember, consistency is key, and your body will thank you for it.